Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video we will discuss how to set up Xiaomi Home Security Camera 2i. Setting up the Xiaomi Home Security Camera 2i is a straightforward process. In this video we will walk through the short and easy steps that helps you to set up the Xiaomi Home Security Camera 2i. So don't miss out this. First of all, we will unbox the Xiaomi Home Security Camera 2i and give you the cleanest review of the product. Inside the Xiaomi Home Security Camera 2i box, you'll find the camera unit itself, a power adapter with a USB cable for power supply, a wall mounting kit for easy installation, and a quick start guide to help you with the initial setup. So let's start the video. First of all, plug the power adapter into the camera and then into a power outlet. Wait for the camera to power on, and you should see the indicator light turn on. Download and install the Mi Home app from the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iOS, on your smartphone. Open the app, sign in with your Xiaomi account, or create a new account if you don't have one. In the Mi Home app, tap the button on the top right corner to add a new device. Select Device, choose Security Camera from the list of available devices. Connect to camera, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your phone to the camera. You may need to scan a QR code that appears on your phone screen using the camera. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks and enter the password to connect the camera to your home network. Wait for connection. The camera will take a few moments to connect to the Wi-Fi. The indicator light should turn blue when the connection is successful. Once connected, you can give your camera a name, such as living room or front door. Customize settings. Adjust the camera settings, such as motion detection sensitivity, alert notifications, and video quality, through the Mi Home app. If you want to place the camera on a wall or ceiling, use the mounting kit provided in the box. Make sure the camera is positioned in a location that covers your desired surveillance area. Adjust the angle. After mounting, adjust the camera angle for optimal coverage. Now your Xiaomi Home Security Camera 2i is ready to use. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.